In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can change the terms and conditions page. We will be starting with the header page picture changing, then we will be changing the all description, then we will be adding our own questions and answers for the customers, and we will be removing this. So let's get started. It will be a very easy lecture. Simply click on edit page. Now we will be in the Visual Composer page editor. Click on, no, don't click, don't need. If the page looks like this, click on backend editor to make it like this. Okay, so now let's start with the description changing. Let's remove this. Okay, now we have full description. Let's remove this also. So we have removed the spacer, so let's add our own description. So you can here type your terms and conditions, I mean all the description that you want in this page. For example, this hotel is following rules and regulations of dot 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 country, and blah 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 blah. You can add anything like you want. I'm just saving it. Okay, so description has been added. Now let's try to save and refresh it, how it looks. As you can see, the description has been added. Now let's remove this. Go back here and click on delete. Awesome. If you refresh it, this page will be lost. Okay, so we don't have it now. Now we have terms and conditions in description. Let's remove this because we have two different and we don't have anything like partners. So try to search it. If you are unable to find it, don't worry, I will show you. This is a text and this is a text. These are all toggles. This plus are all toggles. So this is our first text and this is our second text. You can just delete them now. Alright, so let's update it and let's see how it looks. So now you may see that the page is smaller now and we have only most frequent questions from customers like the way we wanted. So now let's add some questions and some answers. Okay, so you can see there are 4 toggles, 1 2 3 4, and we have 1 2 3 4 toggles. If you want to copy it, it's very simple. Click on clone and it will be copied. Don't forget to add spaces and drop them. So refresh it. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. All right, so let's add our own terms and conditions. So first one, so the question is how to pay, and the answer is with your credit card or PayPal. Let's save it. Second question, can I bring pets? The answer is no, you cannot bring pets. If you want to change the color, you can do it here. Save it and refresh. Sorry, update and refresh. Okay, so how to pay? The answers with your credit card or PayPal. Can I bring pets? No, you cannot. Let's change this one to a green, which will indicate a good thing. Let's add a third one, which will say, where is the hotel? Hotel is present in Alabama. Let's make it green and save it. And you can just refresh it once. We'll see that we have now where is the hotel, and hotel is present in Alabama. Just like that, you can add more and more tabs and provide answers to your customers. Okay, thank you.